Welcome to your account. To get started, we'll start in the business profile settings. To find this, you can go down to the bottom left-hand side of your account, click on settings, and you will start in the business profile. Inside your business profile, you have a couple of options. Let's start with the general information. First, find a business logo. There's some proposed size as well as the upload size of your logo. Go ahead and click upload and attach your business logo. Next is your friendly business name. This is the account name that your users, clients, and leads will see you and recognize you by. This is the most common name that people address your business by. Next is a legal business name. This is going to be the exact name as registered on your EIN. Next, fill in your business email, business phone number, and then you will find what's called a branded domain. A branded domain is the ability to attach a domain name that will then show up when you send out calendar booking links, as well as additional links from your account. That way, your brand stays consistent and you do not see any other domains attached. This is unlike other softwares where they keep and retain their name advertising their business instead of yours. Next, we'll find the business website. Go and enter yours here. If you do not have one, it is not necessary right now. Next, you can choose your business niche. Click on the drop down and choose the one that you most relate to. Go ahead and click on Update Information to save all the details that you just entered in your general information account. As we continue down, we'll find the business information. This is important to fill out before you register your phone number for A2P registration. You'll choose your business type, partnership, cooperative, LLC, or more. Choose the industry. You can choose the same one as before. Choose your business registration type. For the USA, the most common will be the EIN. Enter in your business registration number, or choose that your business is not registered if you're a sole prop. And then most commonly, you'll choose the USA and Canada, but there are additional regions that you can choose. Then click Update Information. Next, we'll continue down to the call and voicemail settings. You can choose your incoming call timeout. This is the time that the phone will stay on hold as someone is calling in before the phone call is canceled. Recommend at least 10 seconds, but 20 seconds will suffice. And then you can record and upload an MP3 file for your voicemail. This will be the default voicemail for your account. Click the Save Call settings. Let's scroll back up to the top and continue to the right-hand side. This is your business physical address details. If you do not have a physical address, go ahead and use your personal location or the location in which your business is registered on your EIN documentation. Enter in your street address, city, postal code, choose your state or province, enter in your country. Make sure that your time zone is correct. This is important because it will determine the way that appointments are shown inside of your account relative to the location that your business is located. Choose your platform language, and then you can choose the outbound communication language for the custom values. Go ahead and click Update. Next, we'll scroll down to the authorized representative. Most likely, this is going to be the one filling out the details, but this will be the one who's contacted if there are only or needs for this account, such as when applying for the A2P registration. Fill out your first name, last name. Make sure this is an email that you have easy access to. Choose your job position and enter in a phone number. Make sure that this is a phone number that can receive text messages. This will make sure that your A2P registration process goes as smooth as possible. Click on Update Information. Next, we'll scroll down to General. There's a couple of different options here. First is the Allow Duplicate Opportunity. This will allow multiple people with the same name or email or phone number to show up in the opportunity pipeline. This is optional, but make sure that you understand what it does before enabling it, because it could give you duplicates that you may not want depending on your business model. Next is merge Facebook contacts by name. Sometimes you can enable Facebook leads, inbound leads, or Facebook messages. If you enable this, contacts that have the same name as previously inputted contact will be merged. Make sure you understand this before you enable it. Next is the option to disable contact time zone. We recommend that you keep this on unless you have a specific use case for it. Next is mark emails invalid due to a hard bounce. Again, if an email bounces, and it's a hard bounce, not a soft bounce, they will be marked as invalid, and that will help retain your email sending reputation. Next is validate phone numbers when first SMS is sent to a contact. This will also help decrease your bounce rate for your text messages, keeping your reputation for your phone number high. Next is to verify an email address when first email is sent to a new contact. This is the email version of the SMS as well. You have a couple different options for compliancy sake. We recommend that you keep these unchanged because they will fill in automatically to your account, such as this make SMS compliant after adding a sender information. This says thanks demo account. This will automatically fill in the details or the name of your business. So make sure that you have that filled in above so that this autofill will be the correct name to stay compliant. Next, you have the option for contact deduplication preferences. You can allow duplicate contacts if you want to, but we recommend not in order to keep a clean database. You can choose the prioritization and whether or not you want the account to find existing contacts based on the email or phone number first. Last but not least is the missed call text back. You can enable this here and fill in the message that you want to send out for your missed call text back. You can send a test message and fill in your phone number that can receive text and send a test to make sure that it all works. Click Save Missed Call Text Settings. Congratulations, you have set up your business profile settings.